Baby learning!
Hello, little friends! Today we're going to learn numbers. Can you count with me? Let's start! Look, here's the first number. What is it? Yes, it's 1. Can you say 1? Great job! Let's find the next number. Wow, here comes another number. What is it? That's right, it's 2. Say 2. Oh, look, here's a new number. Can you guess? Yay, it's 3. Say it with me. 3. Let's keep going. What number is this? Yes, it's 4. Let's say it loud. 4. Ooh, here comes a big number. Do you know this one? Awesome, it's 5. High five. Oh, wow, this one looks cool. Can you guess? You got it, 6. Let's say it together. 6. Look at this lucky number. What is it? Yes, 7. Say 7. This one is round and fun. What number is it? That's right, 8. Let's say it slowly. 8. Almost there. What's this number? Yes, it's 9. Can you say 9? Last one. The biggest number here. What is it? Woohoo! It's 10. Say it super loud. 10. Great job. You learned numbers 1 to 10. Let's say them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, can you find numbers around you? Maybe on your toys or books? See you next time for more fun learning. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and clicking on the bell icon. Bye-bye.